Hello, hello, hello. Good evening. Hello, Shan. Thank you, MD Shabazz. So, guys, we will discuss today about pathology questions. So, you are ready? Can you hear me, guys? Okay. So, if you didn't follow me on Instagram yet, you can follow me on Instagram, or you can recommend any video which you want I have to upload. Okay, so the question number one is most common nasal mass. Most common nasal mass options are polyp, papilloma, angiofibroma, or none. My Insta ID is Miss Medicine. Question is most common nasal mass. My name is Garima. Yes, the correct answer is polyp. Next question. Hornets with stridor is seen in. Hornets with stridor is seen in. Options are unilateral abductor palsy, bilateral abductor palsy, both or none. Hornets with stridor is seen in unilateral abductor palsy, bilateral abductor palsy, both or none. The answer is none. Next question. Drug of choice for the treatment of epiglottis. Options are ceftriaxone, ampicillin, chloramphenicol, or clindamycin. Drug of choice for the treatment of epiglottis. Inflammation of epiglottis. Epiglottitis. Drug of choice. Yes, the answer is ceftriaxone. Next question. Most common type of lupus nephritis. Most common type of lupus nephritis. Options are diffuse proliferative, membranous, focal proliferative, or mesangial. Most common type of lupus nephritis. Yes, the answer is diffuse proliferative. Next question. A premalignant lesion of large intestine. Premalignant lesion of large intestine. Options are hematomatous polyp, hyperplastic polyposis, familial polyposis, or edematous polyp. Premalignant lesion of large intestine. Yes, the answer is familial polyposis. Next question. Blood when stored at 4 degrees Celsius can be kept for. Blood when stored at 4 degrees Celsius can be kept for. Options are 7 days, 21 days, 28 days, or 14 days. Yes, the answer is 21 days. Next question. In in pterygium, elastotic degeneration occurs in which layer? In pterygium, elastotic degeneration occurs in which layer? Options are endothelium, epithelium, Bowman's layer or descent membrane. Yes, the answer is Bowman's layer. Next question. Secondary niacin deficiency associated with. Secondary niacin deficiency associated with. Options are INH therapy, riboflavin deficiency, pyridoxine deficiency, or all of the above. Yes, the answer is all of the above. Next question. Hyponatremia is seen in. Hyponatremia is seen in. Options are hyperthyroidism, hypothyroidism, diabetes insipidus, or increased insensible losses. I'm in final year. I didn't complete my MBBS yet. Question is hyponatremia is seen in. Options are hyperthyroidism, hypothyroidism, diabetes insipidus, or increased insensible loss. Correct answer is hypothyroidism. Next question. Treatment of choice for hepatorenal syndrome. Treatment of choice for hepatorenal syndrome is. Options are AC inhibitors, potassium channel blockers, calcium channel blockers, or liver transplant. Treatment of choice for hepatorenal syndrome. Options are AC inhibitors, potassium channel blockers, calcium channel blockers, or liver transplant. The correct answer is liver transplant. Next question. Cardiogenic shock drug of choice is. Cardiogenic shock drug of choice is. Options are epinephrine, norepinephrine, adrenaline, or dopamine. Cardiogenic shock drug of choice. Epinephrine, norepinephrine, adrenaline, or dopamine. The answer is norepinephrine. Next question. Most common cause of esophageal perforation. Most common cause of esophageal perforation. Options are Mallory-Weiss syndrome, Boerhaave syndrome, iatrogenic, or esophageal varices. Yes, the answer is iatrogenic. Next question. Granulomatous inflammation is found in. Granulomatous inflammation is found in. Options are Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, amoebiasis, or giardiasis. Granulomatous inflammation is found in Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, amoebiasis, or giardiasis. Yes, the answer is Crohn's disease. Next question. Backwash ileitis is seen in. Backwash ileitis is seen in. Options are Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, colonic carcinoma, or iliac polyp. Yes, the answer is Crohn's ulcerative colitis, not Crohn's disease. Answer is ulcerative colitis. Backwash ileitis is seen in ulcerative colitis. Next question. Female breast puberty is an example of. Female breast puberty is an example of. Options are hyperplasia, hypertrophy, hyperplasia and hypertrophy, and atrophy. Yes, the answer is C, hyperplasia and hypertrophy. Next question. Cells most sensitive to hypoxia are. Cells most sensitive to hypoxia are. Options are neurons, myocardial cells, hepatocytes, renal tubular epithelial cells. Cells most sensitive to hypoxia are neurons, myocardial cells, hepatocytes, renal tubular epithelial cells. The correct answer is neurons. Next question. Most common cause of cell injury at the level of cell. Most common cause of cell injury at the level of cell. Options are hypoxia, ischemia, carbon oxide poisoning, or anemia. Yes, the answer is hypoxia. Next question. Alzheimer's disease associated chromosome is. Alzheimer's disease associated chromosome is. Options are chromosome 2, 6, 12, or 19. Alzheimer's disease associated chromosome is second, 6th, 12th, or 19th. Yes, the answer is 19. 19th is the correct answer. Next question. Similarity between acoustic neuroma and glomus tumor. Similarity between acoustic neuroma and glomus tumor. Options are non-encapsulated, common in middle-aged females, vascular or slow-growing. Similarity between acoustic neuroma and glomus tumor. The answer is slow-growing. Next question. Pyogenic infection and brain infarction. Pyogenic infection and brain infarction associated with. Options are coagulative necrosis, liquefactive necrosis, caseous necrosis, or fat necrosis. Yes, the answer is liquefactive necrosis. Next question. Chemotherapeutic drug can cause. Chemotherapeutic drug can cause only necrosis, only apoptosis, both necrosis and apoptosis, or none of the above. Yes, the answer is both necrosis and apoptosis. Next question. Metastatic calcification most often seen in. Metastatic calcification most often seen in. Options are kidney, lungs, liver, or lymph node. The answer is B. Lungs. Next question. Prostaglandin causing fever is. Prostaglandin causing fever is. Options are PGF2, PGE2, PGE1, or PGT2. Prostaglandin causing fever. The answer is PGE2. Next question. Arachidonic acid metabolites all except. Arachidonic acid metabolites all except. Options are prostaglandin G2, leukotriene C4, thromboxanes or phospholipase. Arachidonic acid metabolites all except. Yes, the answer is phospholipase. Next question. Rolling of leukocytes on endothelial cells mediated by. Rolling of leukocytes on endothelial cells mediated by. Options are selectins, integrins, transferrin or PCAM1. Yes, the answer is selectins. Next and the last question. Which complement fragments are called anaphylotoxins? Which complement fragments are called anaphylaxatoxins? Options are C3A and C3B, C3B and C5B, C5A and C3B, C3A and C5A. Anaphylotoxins complement fragments. C3A and C3B, C3B and C5B, C5A and C3B, and the last option C3A and C5A. Which complement fragments are called anaphylotoxins? The answer is C3A and C5A. Okay, guys, thank you for your response. Thank you. Bye. Good night.